Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this JDBC tutorial, let's first understand the introduction to JDBC.
JDBC is used to connect Java applications with databases, execute queries, and process the results. How JDBC is used in web projects? For example, JDBC is a technology that connects a Java application to a database. For instance, when we log in, search for products, or place an order on the Amazon website, that information is stored in the database. JDBC facilitates communication between the Java application and the database. JDBC ante, Java database connectivity, Java application ni database to connect chese technology. Udaharanaku, Amazon website lo manam, login chesinapuru, product search chesinapuru, లేదా order place చేసినప్పుడు ఆ information database లో store అవుతుంది. Java application మరియు database మధ్య communication జరగడానికి JDBC ఉపయోగపడుతుంది.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.